Hi, I am Luisa. In this video, I will show you the embroidery functions of the app. You can do far more than just editing existing designs. You can also create new designs and download designs. From the app's home screen, you can go directly to OESD website. Once you've registered there, you can download embroidery designs from a wide variety of categories. If you select embroidery on the home screen, you'll be taken to the folder overview of the embroidery designs. The left folder contains the embroidery designs that are also stored on the B59. The second folder contains the embroidery designs that were saved from the B59. The third folder contains the embroidery designs that were created and saved in the app. In the folder on the right, you can open embroidery files from the mobile device or the cloud. It is important to import both the EXP and INF files. The app can also open other file formats. Open the desired embroidery design from the corresponding folder. You can scale or move the embroidery design directly on the screen. For fine-tuning, these editing functions are also available on the left side. If an embroidery design is scaled significantly, a message appears warning that this may affect the embroidery results. You can select a different embroidery hoop in the lower section. Alternatively, you can choose other colors for the embroidery design. This is also where you'll find various fonts available in the app. Once the embroidery design has been created and edited, it can be sent to the machine. It is also possible to digitize your own shapes. To do this, open an empty workspace. If desired, a background image can be opened. You can draw lines using the pen tools. Wider lines can be digitized using the satin stitches. The stitch length can also be preset. Various basic shapes, such as a heart, can be added. Alternatively, closed shapes can be digitized and embroidered either as a filled area or as an outline. Or you can draw simple lines. While embroidering, you can monitor the embroidery process on your mobile device. Push notifications appear when, for example, the thread needs to be changed. This way, you can do other things at the same time and don't have to wait right next to the machine. Now you know all sewing features of the app. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and like. You can find more inspiration on bernette.com.